In this video, I'll show you how to program this General Electric 4 devices universal remote control with your TV. The same way will work with a soundbar, with a satellite box, and other devices. So let's get started. So there's two different ways on how you can program this remote control. The first way is by using a code. In the box, it came with this code list and you'll have to search for the specific code of your device. For the second method, the remote control is actually searching the codes for you. It can take more time, it can be a bit more frustrating. So this is why I'll start by showing you the code method first. If you have lost this code list, I'll put some screenshots right now so you can find your device. Over here, I have an LG television. So I will go under TV and find, here we go, I found it. There's a good chance that you're gonna find multiple codes, not only one. Take note all of them, because if the first one does not work, you're gonna try the second one, then the third one, etc. Make sure you have batteries in your remote control, and we're gonna press this setup button right over here until the light over here stays lit up. So I'll keep press this button until the light over there stays lit up, then I can release the setup button. Then I have to choose on the top if I want to program a TV, a cable box, a DVD player, also works with CD players, or AUX for anything else. It's a TV, so I'll press once on the button TV. Now it's time to enter the code using these buttons down below. So I'll start with the first one on my list, which is 6, 0, 2, and 1. Once you have entered the code, the light will stop being lit up. Now it's time to test out the remote control. So turn on your television or other device and test all the buttons. All right. If it works, that's great. You don't have to do anything else. The code is stored in the remote control. If some of the buttons are not working, or maybe all of them are not working, go ahead and try again the same method using the second code on the list. Now let me show you how to program this remote control using the automatic code search. So to do so, you need to turn on your TV. So turn it on manually with the button under it. Then you're gonna keep press the setup button again until the light over there is lit up. Then release the button. Again, we're gonna press on which device we want to program. So over here I want the TV, so I'll press once on TV. Now point the remote control towards your device, and with the power button over here, we're gonna press it. If the TV does not turn off, wait 3 seconds, press it again. All right, the TV turned off. Once the TV turned off, what you need to do is to power on the TV manually by pressing the button under it. So it's power on. Once the TV screen is on, you're gonna press this volume up button over here while pointing the remote control towards the TV. If the TV turns off, that's great. Go ahead and press the same button you pressed on the top. So I pressed on TV before, I'll press once on TV and the code is now stored in the remote control. If after pressing the volume button up, the TV does not turn off, wait 3 seconds and press on it again. It does not work, go ahead, after 3 seconds, press it again. And when the TV screen turns off, press the same button you pressed on the top to register the code on the remote control. You can program up to 4 different devices on this remote control. So once I have programmed my TV, let's say I have a soundbar, I can do the same process I showed you, but this time I'll press on AUX, that is mostly for sound bars, instead of TV. And afterwards, once my soundbar is programmed with this remote control, I can switch between devices simply by pressing on the top buttons. Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment down below if it worked for you. Subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.